6. A steel manufacturing factory had a sample of 5 iron rods of various lengths. The lengths of the rods were measured and recorded in the table below. Length 8 to 10, 11 to 13, 14 to 16 as it moves to the last one. Then the number of rods 4, 7, 11, 15, 8, 5 and 3. Then we are supposed to determine the median length. So if you are to determine the median, then you need to take the quantity given and you prepare it in a column like this. Then the number of rods, which for this case represents the frequency, you just copy the values the way they are. Then to get the cumulative frequency, which will guide you, you start with the first frequency, 4. Then as you move downwards, you keep adding. So 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus this 11, 22, then 22 plus 15, 37, then 37 plus 8, 45, then 45 plus 5, 50, then 50 plus 3, 53. So we have our cumulative frequency that will guide us through getting the median. So you also need to know the formula for the median. Median is found by taking capital L plus open bracket n all over 2 minus capital C all over F into I, where L stands for the lower class limit where the median value lies, then N stands for the total frequency all over 2, then minus C is the cumulative frequency above that median class all over F. F is the frequency of the median class, then I is the class interval. So we get the values one by one and we substitute. So we'll say our lower class limit, you first need to know how many, what is our total frequency, which is 53. So for this case, you need to know where the middle is. So using the formula, we'll just take 53, then divide by 2. You can quickly do that. 53 divided by 2, you get 26.5. So from 4, 11, 22, 26.5 will fall in this particular class, 17 to 19. So this is where 26 can be found. So we will use this particular column. So our lower limit, we read the lower limit of this particular class, 17 to 19. So if the class is running like 8 to 10, then 11 to 13, then 14. For a case, if you want to read the lower limit, you simply subtract 0.5 from 17. And if you want to get the upper limit, you add 0.5 to 19. So 17, when you subtract 0.5, you'll get 16.5. So our lower limit here will be 16.5 plus, open the bracket, the total frequency N is 53 all over 2. Then subtract the cumulative frequency just above that median class, which is 22, all over the frequency of the median class. For this case, we have 15, then multiply by the class interval. Class interval is gotten by taking the upper limit. For this case is 19.5. I'd said you add 0.5, so 19.5. Then you subtract the lower limit, which is 16.5. When you subtract, you'll be able to get 3. So inside the bracket, out here we have 16.5, then 53 divided by 2, you get 26.5, then 26.5 minus 22, you'll get 4.5, minus 20, you'll get 4.5 all over 15, then multiply by 3. So take your 4.5, then divide by 15, then multiply by 3. We'll get 16.5, then plus 0.9. This part gives us 0.9. Now when you add the two, we'll be able to get 17.4. Remember, the question gave us the length in centimeters, so the median length is 17.4 centimeters.